Good evening, guys. Very good evening, all of you. So we are going to do the quiz over here based on the like we are doing it every day: simplification, approximation, quadratic equation, and number series. These are the three topics that, and along with that, we are also going to take arithmetic questions over here. Okay, so before we start, I want all of you to quickly share the session with your friends so that we can start over here. All of you quickly share the session. Yes. Yes, guys. Very good evening, all of you. So all of you quickly share the session so that we can start over here. Like every day we are going to take the 20 very good questions, and that too along with the timer over here. So I want all of you to just share the session once so that we can start over here. Okay, perfect. So yes, very good evening, Abhi, very good evening. So guys, first we will take the questions based on the number series, then we will move on to quadratic equation, then we'll take simplification question, and at the end we'll cover just 5 questions based on the arithmetic over here. And I am taking very selective questions so that all of you will be benefited and you will come to know all the topics before your exam over here. So that is the only intention over here. I want all of you to quickly share the session with your friends so that we can start. Perfect. So let us begin now. First of all, let us start with the first question based on the missing number series over here. Missing number series, first question is there on your screen. Your timer starts now. Let me see who all are getting the answer over here. Yes. Let me just see who all are getting the answer over here. Your time starts now. I want all of you to just focus onto the question and try to follow the time as well, because time is also really important for this particular exam over here. First question based on the missing number series. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. How will you do this? Let me see who is getting the quick and correct answer over here. So try to follow the time as well, guys. That will really help you for your exam, because for RBI assistant the cutoff is really higher, and at the same time you have to cover it in given time also. So you need to focus more onto the time as well. Let me see who all are getting the answer. Abhi is getting the answer already. He is saying 271. Okay, what a performance. Yes, 271 is the perfect answer here. Excellent performance by Abhi. Very good. What is the logic? Yes, can you quickly tell me what is the logic over here? Fayaz Gani is also getting it. Wonderful. 271 is the perfect answer over here. What is the logic in this case? Yes, you can simply calculate the difference over here. It is 2, then it is 15 over here. If you are checking this, it is 41. Let us calculate this difference over here. It is 80. Okay, so if you are taking the double difference value, this is nothing but 13, this is 26, this is 39. That means we are getting 13. Yes, 13 table. Muskan, you are perfectly correct. Very good. Double difference is the perfect logic. This will be 52 if you are adding both of the values, that is 132. If you are taking the value here, 271 is the perfect answer here. Very good, guys. Very good. Everybody is following this one. Anybody is there who is having doubt? Yes, getting it. Very good. Perfect answer. Let us quickly move on to the next question. Your next question timer starts now. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. I want all of you to give it a best try. Yes, let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. My B 62, 62. NSR is also saying 52. Very good. 50, 62. 62 is the perfect answer here. Very good, guys. Very good. Within time itself, you guys got the answer. Wonderful performance here. How will you go about this? Yes. Can any one of you tell me what is the logic? Can any one of you tell me what is the possible logic over here? Yes. Calculate the difference between the number. You will understand it. This is 0. This is nothing but 3 over here. If you are checking, this is 8 over here. And what about the last one? 24. Can you observe these numbers and tell me what could be the possible logic? Yes, yes. Difference square minus 1. You are perfectly correct. Fayaz Gani is perfectly following it. This is nothing but 1 square minus 1. 2 square minus 1. 3 square minus 1. This is nothing but 5 square. Okay, so this has to be 3 square minus 1, this is, okay, this is 15, that is 4 square minus 1, so 4 square minus 1, this is 5 square minus 1, which is nothing but 24. You are going to get your answer as 62 over here. Perfect one. World Queen is also getting it. NSR, Dipen, very good, guys, very good. Should we take odd number or prime number? You can observe here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 doesn't come under prime, it doesn't come under composite. Okay, generally when you have 1, it is never about prime, it is always a sequential order depend. Are you getting it? It is only when you are getting 2 and 3 as the number. 1 is not included in prime numbers. Okay, let us quickly move on to the next question. Next question is there on your screen. Let me see who all are getting the value for this one. Yes, can you try this one quickly? Your timer is also going on. Try to focus on to the time as well. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. I want all of you to give it a best try and try to focus on to the time also. Let me see who is getting the first answer. Guys, your time is already over. Let me see who is getting the first answer. Abhi is getting the first and perfect answer here. What a performance. Very good. NSR is getting it. Dhruv is getting it. 12,553 is the perfect answer over here. By looking this series, we should have multiplication. Yes, you are perfectly correct. Anurag, you are perfectly correct with the logic. Ashu, Bisti, 12,553 is the perfect answer over here. How will you do this? Try to get the second value from the first one. 15 2s are plus 3 over here. If you are checking this, it is nothing but 33 into, you can check out 33 into 3. That is 99 plus 4. So definitely this is into 4 plus 5. Are you getting it? If you are observing this, it is into 5 plus 6. Everybody is following this. So it is into 6 plus 7 over here. You can calculate your answer. This is nothing but 12,553 would be the value. Dipen, Dad's Angel. Okay, Sneha, World's Queen, Kavya, perfect answer guys. Very good performance by all of you. Let us quickly move on to the next question. Next question is there on your screen. Your timer starts now. So we are trying to save your, time also guys over here. Yes, Women's Day offer for, yes, it is valid only for next 2 days over here. You are correct. Okay, Sagar, the Women's Day offer is valid only for next 2 days over here. So guys, I want all of you to check out the offer today itself. So the special offer is you are going to get 1.5 times of extra validity over here. Okay, so I want all of you to check out, especially if you are planning to purchase a super elite subscription, you are going to get 1.5 times. So 6 months subscription, you are going to get 9 months access over there. Only 8th and 9th, I want all of you to check out the offer guys. Wonderful offer if you are planning to purchase any of the courses that are there on our site. Okay, Sagar. Okay, please check out Sagar and do not forget to use Priyanka as the code to get maximum discount. Okay, all of you, I have already written the coupon code also on your screen. All of you can check out that. Dhruv is saying 568. Wonderful performance by Dhruv, Sagar. Very good. Murugan, Abhi, very good. 568 is the perfect answer over here. Very good guys. Banker is also getting it. Can any one of you tell me what is the logic? Can any one of you tell me what is the logic over here? Yes, any one of you? So you can try to get this value over here. It is into 4 minus 4. Are you getting it? Can I say into 5 minus 5? So this has to be into 6 minus 6. Into 6 minus 6, that means this is into 3 minus 3. This has to be into 2 minus 2 over here. So you can easily observe 568 would be the answer over here. Dhruv, Fayaz, Gani, Sagar, very good. Banker, you are getting the perfect answer over here. Into n minus 1 is the logic and are decreasing in a consecutive manner over here. Let us quickly move on to the next question. Very wonderful question. Previous year one question was there on the similar line. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one over here. Yes, can you give it a try? Next question is there on your screen. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Keval, yes, can you try it? Ashu, Dhruv, Fayaz, Gani, yes, can you give it a try? Banker is also getting 41. Dhruv, Sagar, very good guys. 41 is the perfect answer over here. Very good. Ashu is also getting it. 41 is the perfect answer. Perfect. Very good. Prime number addition. Very good. You are getting the perfect logic. Sagar, Banker, Muskan. No, it is not alternative 1. You can observe the value is nothing but a prime number difference over here. Alternative series is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because you can observe here the difference is 2 and here it is 4. That cannot happen. Generally that cannot happen because if they are giving 2 difference over here, this should also be 3 only. Are you getting it? If you are getting matching answer, fine. But generally when it is followed at only one stage, you cannot take it correctly. Now here you can see that it is plus 11 over here. This is nothing but minus 11. Okay, now if you are checking the next value over here, sorry, minus 13. Okay, if you are checking this value over here, it is plus 15. That means not plus 15. I think it is plus 17. So you can see prime number. I don't know how come alternative will also come true over here. This will become plus 19 in this case. So you can just observe that next value has to be plus 20, not even 21, 23 would be there. That is nothing but 41 would be the value. Are you guys getting it? It is alternative addition subtraction, but it is alternative addition subtraction of a prime number over here. 11, then 13, then 15 is not there, 17, 19 and 23. So make sure you are doing it perfectly. Everybody is getting it. By chance you got it correct, but generally when you are doing it alternative series, guys, both differences should be same. If you are getting 2 over here, other should also be 2 only. Everybody is following this one? Let us quickly move on to the next question over here. Next question is there on your screen. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one, right? Really interesting question. So let me see who all are getting the next answer over here. Next question is there on your screen. Can you give it a try? So I want all of you to focus onto the time as well, guys. Okay, focus onto the time as well. I want all of you to check out that because for your exam that is also very important point. Anybody is getting the answer over here? Anybody is getting the answer? 41. 41. No, I don't think so. 41 will be the answer. Can you check out? Yes, what could be the logic over here? Really interesting logic. You have to divide this by 4 or I can say multiplied by 0.25 plus 1 over here. Multiplied by 0.25 plus 1. Now how will you get this? You have to make it half. 0.5 plus 2. Are you getting it? If you are dividing this by half, this will become 1 plus 2 over here. 0.25, 0.5. So next one has to be, you can multiply this by 3 2s are 6. Just check out the number. How can you get 3 from 6 over here? So how can you get it? For 3 1s are 3 plus 3. Are you getting it? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3 over here. This is becoming 1. Next value is into 2 plus 4. So what would be next value? Into 4 plus 5. Are you getting it? Next value has to be into 4 plus 5 over here. Everybody is getting it? Yes, you are right. 69 is the perfect answer. Deepen, please check out the value over here. It is nothing but 0.25 plus 1. Then you have 0.5 plus 2 over here. Are you getting it? So this is becoming double. That is 1 plus 3. Again this is becoming double 2 plus 4. So you have to make this double and add the next value which is nothing but 5 over here. Everybody is following this logic? Really wonderful logic based on the fractional value over here. Everybody is getting it. Dhruv also got it now. Very good. Perfect one. Everybody is following this one. Anybody is there who is having doubt? Anybody is there who is having doubt? Yes, Kuldeep is also getting it. Yes, 69 is the perfect answer over here. Okay, so guys, we are not even 30. Just a request from my side. Can you make it a count of 50 at least, guys? Yes. All of you quickly share it once so that you will also enjoy the competition over here. Understood? Okay. Let us quickly move on to the next question. I want all of you to once share the session, guys, if possible, please. Okay, so let us start the timer over here. Next question, try to get the next value from the first one. Let me see who all are getting this one right. Keval, you are right. 69 would be the perfect answer. Yes, can you try the next question which is there on your screen? All of you quickly tell me what would be the answer over here. 297. Wonderful. Abhi is performing so quickly today. Wonderful performance by Abhi here. So 297 is the perfect answer. Murugan is also getting it. Very good. Lokesh, very good evening. Very good evening. How will you do this over here? Dhruv, Neev, Anurag, very good. Prakash, 297 is the perfect answer, guys. Wonderful performance by all of you. How will you do this? You can just check out the difference over here. This value is 8. If you are checking, this is 24. If you are checking this value, it is 48. Next value is nothing but 80 over here. That means I can see that this value is nothing but 3 square minus 1. 5 square minus 1, 7 square minus 1, 9 square minus 1. So this has to be 11 square minus 1, 120 over here. If you are adding the value, 297 would be the value. 297 would be the value over here. Prakash, Neem, Dhruv, very good guys. 297 is the perfect answer in this case. Everybody is following this one? Perfect one. Let us quickly move on to the next part. That is nothing but a quadratic equation over here. Now for quadratic equation, few questions I am going to give you 1 minute of time to solve the question. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one right. Yes, next question is there on your screen. Depend, you can do it by double difference also. So generally guys, when you have square minus 1 as the logic, double difference also works in those cases over here. That is the same case over here. So double difference will also work. Okay, you are perfectly correct. So next question based on the quadratic equation is there on your screen. I want all of you to quickly tell me the roots over here. What would be the value for first one? Lokesh, I am coming every day. Every day 9 PM I will be there on the YouTube. You can join me every day at 9 PM. Okay, I don't know which days you have checked. Every day 9 PM the session would be there. Kuldeep is saying A option. Very good. Kuldeep already got the answer. What are the roots for first equation? Can you tell me what will be the roots for the first equation over here? Any one of you? Second one is directly visible. What about the first one? Perfect answer by Murugan here. Dhruv, very good over here. So many of you are getting the perfect value. 17 sevens are 119. Direct addition is provided over here. What about this one over here? If you are checking the value 3y square plus 10y plus 7, you can calculate the value. The 7 comma 3 itself will be the roots over here. So minus 7 comma minus 3 will be the roots. Are you getting it? Now definitely if both of the roots are negative, you can definitely say that y value is going to be smaller than your x value. Is it correct? Both of these roots are also negative. I think I have made a mistake. It is minus 17 minus 7. Okay, there is one more question based on that pattern next. Fine. So here both of the roots are positive. Now next point is you have to take the value of the coefficient as well. So here it is 3, here it is 1. Cross multiply by the coefficient. So this is multiplied by 3, this is multiplied by 1. You are going to get minus 51 minus 21. This is minus 7 comma minus 3. You can see these values are really smaller. X values are really smaller on a number line. Minus 51 minus 21. Minus 7 comma minus 3. This is your y value. This is your x value. X is lesser than y would be the perfect answer. Very good guys. Very good. Everybody is following this one? Anybody is there who is having doubt? So I thought that trick 2 is applicable, but it is not applicable as we have done it in our paid batch class. Okay, can you try the next question which is there on your screen? Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Really wonderful question based on the concept over here. Let me see who all knows this concept. So try to focus the time as well, guys. First tell me what will be the value of x that you are getting. Then you can tell me what is the value of y that you are getting over here. Ashu is saying D, Agastya D, Kuldeep D. Okay, I am getting Neem is saying A option. Few of you are saying A and D or E option. Oh my god, I am getting multiple answers from your end. Let us see what would be the answer over here. Okay, let us see what could be the possible answer over here. All of you please pay attention. There is really one good concept involved in this question. How will you do this? Now this is nothing but under root of x plus 4. If you are taking the square root value, it is 15. This is nothing but 11 over here. You are going to get 4 as the value. Now you want to remove this, so you have to square on both the side. Are you getting it? You have to square on both the side. X plus 4 will be equal to 16. X value is going to be 12 over here. So you are going to get x value as only 12 in this case. Are you getting it? X value is going to be only 12 over here. Now what about y square value? Easily you can calculate what would be the y value over here. That is nothing but 144. Now as I told you, whenever you have even power, whenever you have y to the power even power, you are going to have positive as well as negative value both. So it will be positive 12, negative 12 both. Are you getting it? It is going to be positive and negative 12 both. Now easily you can compare the value. X value will be positive 12. What about y value? It is positive as well as negative 12. So y is lesser than or equal to x would be the perfect answer over here. Y is lesser than or equal to x. D option is the perfect one. Those who were telling the other option, please check out your value. Okay, please check out your answer over here. Is this thing clear with everyone? D option is the perfect one for this question over here. Let us quickly move on to the next question. Really wonderful question based on the linear equation over here. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one rightly. Can you give it a try? Question based on the linear equation, but there is one interesting method involved in this question. Let me see who all knows that procedure over here. Yes guys, can you give it a try quickly? A or E? I am getting multiple answers here. A or E over here. Do you know what is the process for these type of question? There is one specific process for this type of question over here. Let me see who all knows about that procedure. Yes, anybody is getting the answer. Sana is already telling A. Hanif is telling E. Keval D option. Okay. Shubham A option. Okay. What about others? Anyone else is getting the answer here? Yes, you are perfectly correct over here. Anurag, you are perfectly correct. You just need not have to subtract. You have to also add the equation over here. When you are adding both of the equation, what will you get from this? This is nothing but 345. Both will be 345 x plus y. That is equal to, you can add the value over here. That is nothing but 1380. 345 and 1380, if you are directly dividing this value, you can see it, it is directly divisible by 345. You are getting 345 fours. So x plus y value will be 4 over here. Are you getting it? And when you are subtracting both of the equation, what will you get from this? So let me just write down one equation. X plus y is equal to 4 will be the first equation over here. Now you can subtract both of the values. That is nothing but this will become 101, 101x minus 101y, which is equal to, when you are subtracting the value over here, 202. So I can say x minus y is equal to 2. So x plus y is equal to 4 and x minus y is equal to 2. So easily x will be 3 and y will be 1. Are you getting it? X equal to 3 and y equal to 1. So x will be greater than y will be the answer. Are you getting it? Especially the coefficient of x and y are exchanged. In that case, you can apply this procedure. Everybody is following this? Now, if you are making coefficient of x and y same, that will never going to help you out. Is this part clear with everyone? Yes, Dhruv, Agastya, Ashu, you guys are perfectly correct. We are getting x value is greater than y as the perfect answer. Let us quickly move on to the next question. Let me see who all are getting this one right over here. Yes, can you tell me what will be the possible value for this one? Very nice trick. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, thank you so much. So, I'm generally trying to give you all the trick based question over here so that before exam you will get a good revision. Can you try this one? Ashu is saying A option. Murugan A, Kuldeep B. Again, I'm getting multiple answers over here. Many of you are saying B option. B option is the perfect one, guys. B option is the perfect one. Brijesh is saying A option. Okay. Let us check out how we are going to go about this. Now, x to the power odd value, that means x is going to be only positive 6 over here. X to the power odd value, that means x is going to be only positive 6 over here. Okay, now let us talk about the second value. How will you do this? This can be written as 13 6 is 78. This can be written as 13 6 is 78. This is nothing but 2 over here. When you are multiplying the value, 12 and 13 would be the roots over here. What would be the root? Plus 12 and 13. As there is coefficient of 2 over here, you have to divide by 2. This will become 6 and 6.5. Definitely you can see that y is either greater than or equal to x. That is nothing but B option is the perfect one. Very good. Dhruv is getting the perfect answer over here. Yes, Hanif is getting it. Muskan. Yes, anyways you can do it, guys. Generally when here it is cube and here it is square, I prefer dividing by the coefficient itself rather than doing the cross multiplication method. Rather than following cross multiplication method, it is better to calculate the actual root, especially when you have cube and square equation together. Chaitanya, you are perfectly correct. Let us quickly move on to the next question. Question again based on the different coefficient of x square and y square over here. Brajesh, why not option E? How come E would be there? Y is greater than or equal to x. That is what you are getting in this case. Yes, can you put it on the number line, Brajesh? You will get the same answer over here. Yes, can you give it a try? Next question. Next question is there on your screen. I want all of you to tell me the roots as well. I want all of you to tell me the roots as well. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one correctly. Yes. Ashu is saying A option. Very good. What about others? What are the roots over here, Ashu? So this is nothing but 23 threes are. Can you figure out the roots? 23 threes are. So you have to take a combination. 7 threes are 21, 23 will be the roots over here, which will give me sum of 44. Are you getting it? Which will give me sum of 44 over here. Everybody is getting this one? Yes. So you can just see that 19 sevens are. You know that 19 sevens are 133. You can again take a combination 19, 21. As there are prime number involved in this, you need to be more careful while calculating the roots over here. Now once the roots are calculated, as there are coefficient over here, cross multiply by the coefficient. This is multiplied by 3, this is multiplied by 7 over here. This is 63 and this value is nothing but 69. If you are checking the second root over here, you can calculate your value as 133 and this is nothing but 147. Easily you can see y values are more than x value. A is the perfect answer. Very good. Murugan, Shubham, Ashu, Dhruv, Brajesh, very good. Brajesh, it is not imaginary roots. Please check out your concept. Yes, Muskan, Dhruv, Abhi, Agastya, you guys are perfectly correct. A will be the perfect answer over here. Very good, guys. Let us quickly move on to the last question. This is just a 30-second conceptual question over here. Let me see who all can give the correct and quick answer over here. Yes. Can you try this one? B option. Few of you are saying B, few of you are saying A. So try to calculate the value in given time, guys. Do not, be in hurry to give the answer. Muskan is saying E option. Agastya Shubham B option. Dhruv is saying X is less than or equal to Y. Dipen B option. Muskan E option. Very good, guys. B is the perfect answer over here. Perfect one. Very good. B is the perfect answer over here. You are perfectly correct. Okay. So, Brijesh, x cube equal to 216. Yes, you are right. Imaginary roots are there, but that is not there in our syllabus. So, we have to just take the real root value, which is nothing but a positive 6 value. Okay, Brijesh, do not bother about the imaginary values. That is not there in your syllabus. Fine. So, let us focus on to this question over here. 2x square equal to 98. That means x square equal to 49. When you have even power over here, you are going to get positive 7 and negative 7 as the root. Now, what about this one? When you are saying this complete square, so I have to say y minus 7 is equal to positive negative 0. So, y is going to be only positive 7 over here. Y value is going to be only positive 7. Now, you can compare your roots. X value is minus 7 plus 7. This is your x value. Your y value is positive 7. So, y is greater than or equal to x would be the answer, which is nothing but a B option over here. Very good performance by many of you. Everybody is getting this one? Chaitanya, yes, Chaitanya, you are correct. Both of the roots will be positive 7 only. Okay. For y, it is positive 7. For x, it is both of the values. So, B option is the perfect one. I am really happy with your performance. Now, let us quickly move on to the next section over here. That is nothing but approximation. So, few questions based on simplification. Few are based on the approximation. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Yes, can you give it a try? Try to follow the timer as well, guys. Let me see who is getting the quick and correct answer over here. For second one, you need not expand the formula. Even if you are expanding it, you are going to get the same answer. Anurag, you are going to get the same answer over there even if you are expanding. Ultimately, you have to write it in the square format itself. Expansion will not help you to calculate the roots. Okay, Ashu minus 13, Brajesh. B option. Very good, guys. Minus 13 is the perfect answer over here. Very good. Those who are getting minus 13 as the value. Yes, yes. Minus 13 is the perfect answer for this question. How will you do this? Anurag, Chaitanya, perfect one. Perfect answer. Minus 13 will be the perfect value. How will you do this? 56%. You can shift this percentage here. 56. 150% is 3 by 2. How will you calculate this root over here? It is 7 4s are. This is again 7 over here. When you are taking the square root, 7 square root will be 7. Square root of 4 would be 2 over here. So, you are getting your value as this is nothing but 2 into 28. 28 3s are. You can calculate the value over here. 84. This is nothing but plus 14. 11 1 by 9. That is nothing but 1 by 9 fraction multiplied by 999. So, what will you get? 111 would be the value. So, what will you get? 98 minus 111. That is nothing but you can calculate your value as minus 13 in this case. Very good, guys. Very good. Minus 13 is the perfect answer. KB Pandey, Keval, Fayaz Gani, Agastya. Very good. Minus 13 is the perfect answer over here. Everybody is getting this one? Yes, everybody is getting this one. Anybody is there who is having doubt? Anybody is there who is having doubt? Yes, perfectly clear to all of you. Let us quickly move on to the next question over here. Let me see who all are getting this one right. Yes, I want all of you to try it. Using both of the methods, you have to take the fourth root and you have to calculate percentage to fraction as well. Try to follow the timer as well, guys. Yes, can you give it a try? Anybody is getting the answer for this one? Yes. Anybody is getting the answer? I already told you how to calculate the fourth root of the equation over here. The same concept you have to apply in this question. Take your time but give me correct answer, all of you. Yes. So much time, guys. So much time you are taking over here. How will you go about this question? 125. Abhi is getting the first answer. 125. Okay. What about others? KB Pandey is also saying 125. Very good, guys. 125 is the perfect answer over here. Wonderful performance by Brajesh, Pandey, Abhi. Very good. How will you do this? This is nothing but 125%, 5 by 4 of 96. If you are calculating the value, 24 5s are 120 over here. How will you do this? 14 square 126. If you are taking square root of 1296, you know that square root of 1296 is 36. Again take square root of that, that is nothing but 6 over here. So 1 to 40 squares are really important for your exam, guys. So remember, this is 1296, it's 36 square over here. Now when you are subtracting this, you are getting 120 on the other side. Are you getting it? So when you are calculating the value here, this is you can calculate the value. Sorry, this is 14 square, right? It is 196. 14 square 196 minus 6, which is nothing but 190. When you are taking it on the other side, 70 would be the value. This is written as 56 by 100 of x over here. So approximately you have to calculate the answer. This is 7000 divided by 56. 7 8s and 1000. That is nothing but 125 would be the correct answer. Very good, guys. Are you guys following my point? Muskan is saying don't understand, ma'am. So Muskan, when you have to calculate the fourth root over here, first thing you have to take is do the square root of the value. Then again take the square root of that value over here. Okay, especially those who are not getting, please pay attention over here. I can see, okay, many of you are not getting it. Please pay attention. 125%. What is this, Muskan? You must be aware this is 5 by 4 fraction. Okay, multiply this by 96. What are you getting in this case? 14 2s are, 14 4s are. 24 5s are 120. I think so far it is clear. Okay, now how will you do this? This is 14 square 196. Now for this, when you want fourth root, it is not square root, it is fourth root. So first you have to take a square root value, which is 36. Again take square root of that, that is 6 over here. Muskan, are you getting it? 196 minus 6, that is nothing but 190 over here. This is 120. You have to calculate 56% of x. So when you are taking it on the other side, this will become 70 and this is nothing but 56x by 100 over here. So 7 10s are, this is 7 8s are. X value is 1000 divided by 8 over here. X value is 1000 divided by 8, that is nothing but 125 would be the value. Everybody is getting this one? Everybody is getting this one? Yes, perfect answer by many of you. Yes, you have to take the approximate value over here. So that is how 125 would be the perfect answer over here. I think everybody is following this one. Let us quickly move on to the next question over here. Let us move on to the next question. Next question is there on your screen. Let me see who all are getting this one right now. Yes, we have to take the approximate value, Muskan. Okay, approximate value is what we have to take over here. I want all of you to read the question now quickly. Next question is there on your screen. Yes, try to solve the question. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one right. $243, Ankit, Muskan, E option. Very good, guys, very good. Dhruv, Agastya, Muskan, 243 is the perfect answer over here. Wonderful performance, guys. How will you do this? This is 135 into 135 divided by 15 multiplied by 39. So 15 9s are 135 over here. Okay, you are dividing by x value. So this x will go on the other side. This 13 and 15 will come here. Directly you can say this is 13, this is nothing but 15 nines are, this is 81 into 3, that is nothing but 243 would be the value. Wonderful performance. Amruta, Veer Babu, Utkarsh, Brajesh, Chaitanya, very good. You are correct over here. 243 will be the perfect answer in this case. Everybody is following this? Anybody is there who is having doubt, you can ask me. Anybody is there who is having doubt, you can ask me. I think it is clear. Very good, guys. Let us quickly move on to the next question. Question based on the indices rules over here. Let me see who all are getting this one right. Can you try this one? How will you do this? Take your time but give me answer over here. You can write it in the proper format. 32 into 384. When you are dividing this, this is nothing but 9 into 9, 81. Okay, again this is multiplication by 216 divided by 2 to the power 5. That is nothing but 32. This 32 will get cancelled over here. You can cancel this value. 9 2s are 9 4s are. Again you can cancel it here also. Okay, this is 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 2s and 3 8s are. This is 3 8s are over here. Now easily you can observe this is nothing but 64 2s are and this is 2 to the power 3 over here. Are you getting it? Now you know that this is nothing but 2 to the power 6 and this is 2 to the power 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 3. So 10 will be the perfect answer. Ketan, Brijesh, Keval, please check out. 10 would be the perfect answer over here. Really good question based on the indices rule over here. Everybody is following this one? Yes, 10 is the perfect answer for the question over here. Are you guys following how I did it? So for this question actually 384 is not the exact power. So that is not going to help you out, that converting it into fractional format. You need to cancel the value with the few values over here. Everybody is getting this one? Anybody is there who is having doubt? Anybody having any doubt over here? Perfectly clear to all of you? Very good, guys. Very good. Let us quickly move on to the last question of today, that is based on the simplification and approximation. Let me see who all are getting the correct answer for this one. Yes. And at the end, you have to tell me how many questions you got right. We did 20 questions today. So you have to tell me how many questions you got right today over here. Okay. So yes, can you give it a try? Really wonderful question based on the square root values over here. Let me see who all are getting this one right. The last question of today. Utkarsh is saying 0. I got the first answer here by Utkarsh as 0 over here. What about others? Ankit is also saying 0. Dhruv is also saying 0 here. Very good. 0 is the perfect answer, guys. Very good. 0 is the perfect answer. How will you do this? 37 by 5. Please remember this fraction. It is 3 by 8. When you are cancelling this, this is 8 2s are and 8 7s are. When you are calculating this value, it is 81 over here. When you are calculating this value over here, it is 144. You have to calculate the under root value. You must be aware this is which square over here? Which square value is this? Any one of you? This is well-known square over here, 38 square. So this is 38 minus 23. You can easily see what value you are getting over here. It is 15 value and this is under root value. When you want to remove the under root, you have to square on both the side. This is 225. When you are adding the value over here, it is 225. So x value is going to be 0 over here. You are perfectly correct. Muskan, Amruta, Utkarsh, Dhruv. Very good, guys. Very good. Perfectly clear with everyone. Now the last question for today based on the fraction. This is homework question for all of you. Do you want to try it now? Yes, last question based on the fraction. Do you guys want to give it a try? Last one. Okay, as we have 3-4 more minutes over here, can you try this one quickly? And tell me the value. Yes. Question based on fraction. You have to use the fraction rules over here. Let me see who all are getting this one right in this case. Dhruv is saying D. Nani, hello Nani, after a long time she has joined. Okay, how will you do this? Dhruv is saying D option. Anyone else is getting the answer here? Anyone else is getting the answer? How will you do this? 11 8s. I told you whenever you have multiplication, there is no other short trick. You have to calculate the square root value as it is. I told you this. Yes, do you guys remember? How will you calculate? All of you please pay attention now. 11 8s are 88. 88 plus 4, 92 divided by 11. Okay, 23 5s are, you can calculate the value over here. 115 plus 6. 115 plus 6, that is 121 divided by 23. 8 divided by x. Now you know that 23 4s are 11 11s are. So you are getting 11 as the value. Under root of 484 is 22. If you are taking the square root for this one, 4 3 5 6. Put bar on these two numbers. Either your number will end with 4 or 6 over here. Now which square root lies below 43? 6 square. So this will be 64 or 66. If you are calculating middle value over here, it is 4225. Your given value is more than that. That is nothing but 66 value over here. Now easily you can say what would be the value. This is 88. This is 11 8s are 88 over here. So what would be your final answer? X will be equal to 4 would be the perfect answer over here. Very good performance guys. Wonderful performance by many of you. So I can see that. So you have to tell me how many questions you got right. We did 20 questions over here. Okay, Muskan, my class every day starts at 9 p.m. Especially I can see many of you are new today. So guys, 9 p.m. every day my class is there and we are covering the same type of quiz every day. Okay, so again guys, let me tell you, for this is just a practice for quant over here. If you need practice for all the 3 sessions, okay, the quant, reasoning as well as English, we have a really wonderful prelim practice batch going on. It is nothing but a LPS practice batch. In this, what we do is every day from 7 to 9 p.m. we have all the 3 sections. So first English, then reasoning, and then at the end you have quant over there. So in 40 minutes we are finishing each of the sections. So you can see that at the end you can evaluate your score and your all India rank also. So that will definitely help you to practice 2000 plus question guys. Can you imagine in a lesser time you are doing 2000 plus question over here. So I want all of you to check out the batch. If you are using Priyanka as the name, 1099 will be the price that you have to pay over here. Okay, and at the end I would like to tell you super elite package, really wonderful package guys, because you can see that now you have RBI assistant notification. After some time we are expecting SBI clerk notification, then IBPS clerk would be there, SBI PO, IBPS PO. Rather than purchasing individual thing, why not to think about this super elite subscription? So any mock test you are purchasing anyways 1500 you have to pay. If you are adding some extra amount, definitely you are getting a really wonderful deal. And because of Women's Day, we are having a special offer. If you are purchasing it for 2624, it is not valid for 6 months. It will be valid for 9 months over here. So the offer is going on guys. I want all of you to check out. Do not forget to use Priyanka as the code to get maximum discount today. Anything you are purchasing on our app, do check out the code Priyanka over here. Okay, so thank you guys. Thank you so much. Hope all of you must have enjoyed. Tomorrow 9 p.m. again we are going to have a same kind of quiz. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.